Have you ever looked in the mirror after a breakup and thought, who am I now? Breakups don't just hurt. They can shake your entire identity. You question your worth, your attractiveness, your decisions, sometimes even your future. But what if I told you this heartbreak could be the beginning of the strongest, most confident version of yourself? Let's talk about how to rebuild your confidence, piece by piece, and come out not just healed, but evolved. 1. Acknowledge the damage. Before we can rebuild confidence, we have to face the wreckage. Breakups often damage more than just the relationship. They damage your sense of identity. You might have defined your value through someone else's eyes, and when they leave, it feels like your worth left with them. But here's the truth. Their leaving says nothing about your value. Pain doesn't define you. Your response to it does. So allow yourself to grieve. Cry. Write. Sit in the silence. Not to stay there, but to clear the space for something new to grow. 2. Reconnect with your core. Now it's time to ask, who were you before the relationship? What did you love doing? What made you feel alive? Confidence isn't found in how others see you. It's built by reconnecting with who you truly are. Start small. Journal every morning. Not about them, but about you. Revisit a hobby or skill that reminds you of your uniqueness. Spend time alone. Not in loneliness, but in rediscovery. This isn't about getting back to the old you. It's about building the new you. Wiser, stronger, more self-aware. 3. Rewrite the inner narrative. Let's be honest. After a breakup, your inner voice can be brutal. Maybe I wasn't enough. What if I never find someone again? Was I too much? Not enough? Stop. These are not truths. They're emotional echoes from a hurt heart. Start rewriting that script. Try, I am worthy of love, even when it's not returned. My value is not determined by someone else's ability to see it. I am becoming the person I needed all along. Speak these truths daily, out loud, until they sink into your bones. 4. Transform pain into power. Confidence isn't pretending to be okay. It's saying, I've been through pain, and I'm still standing. Your story now includes heartbreak, but it also includes survival. Use the pain as fuel. Take that emotion and channel it into fitness. Movement heals. Write about your experience. Your story can help others. Set goals. Small wins rebuild your self-belief. Every time you choose action over despair, you take your power back. 5. Start loving yourself on purpose. Confidence blooms when you treat yourself like someone worth loving. Take yourself on dates. Speak kindly to yourself. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your light, not your wounds. Self-love isn't just affirmations, it's action. Set boundaries. Say no to things that drain you. Say yes to new experiences, even if you're scared. Loving yourself after a breakup isn't easy, but it's revolutionary. Closing. Let this be the chapter where everything changed. Not because someone left, but because you finally came back to yourself. Your confidence isn't gone. It's just buried under pain that was never meant to stay. So take a deep breath. And remember, this isn't the end of your story. It's the awakening of your power. Want more insights like this? Hit subscribe and never miss the next video on unlocking your potential.